Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. So today's video is a little unboxing video, and before we get started, I wanted to point out that I can't see anything. So if I do something weird, I can't even see myself really that good in the camera right now. I've got these weird contacts in. I don't know if you guys can even tell. I can't see anything right now. They're supposed to be rainbow colored, but they're not prescription, so they're just regular contacts. If my eyes are watering or I look funny, then that's probably why. So I'm really into colored contacts lately, and I can't really wear them out because I am blind and I need my regular contacts. I can wear them, I guess, for a short video or like a photo shoot or something like that. But anyways, let's just go ahead and jump right into this video because I am so excited to show you guys what I got in the mail yesterday. This cute little pink box is from my friend's Etsy store called Sugar and Spikes, and you guys need to check her out. I will link it below. She has got some of the cutest chokers, and she has apparel. She has all kinds of stuff in her shop, you guys. Please go check her out. She puts new stuff on there every single week. I love all of her jewelry, but I asked her if she could make me something custom, and of course she said that was totally fine, and I was so excited, but I had no idea what I wanted. I was like, I don't know, I just want something crazy. And she sent me a picture of it, but I have not opened this box yet, so I have no idea what it looks like, and I'm really excited. But she just knows me so well, you guys, and she made this piece for me. Let's open this box up because I can't wait any longer because I'm just so excited. Oh my word, you guys, it's so cute. It says, Mag, I hope you love it, XOB. Oh, that is so sweet. I love all the sweet little touches to it, and look, little rainbow heart. It's so sweet. I love it. Thank you, Brandy. I know you're watching this. Oh wow, and it's got all these little fun things in it. Oh, Jack loves them. I don't know what you call these little squiggly things. They always make me think of Easter baskets. This is so adorable. Okay, let's open the package. Jack, come here. Come on. Come on, bud. Oh, Jack, you want to see too, don't ya? I know. It's not for you, bud. Oh my goodness. This is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. You guys. Love the rainbow spikes. Guys, she makes all of this by hand. Even this part, like the leather part, she does. And she adds all of the buckles on it, all of the embellishments, the spikes. Like, she added this little doll on it, you guys. I told her that I liked this doll because she sent me a few of the ones she had, and I really did like this green one. And she has green hair like I do, which currently I've got neon yellow hair. But anyways, this is so cute, and her little head moves. That is adorable. You guys! Oh my word, I love it. And she also does different sizes so it can fit your neck. And I told her that I liked mine a little bit loose. So this is perfect. Oh my gosh, it's so comfortable. I can't really see what it looks like on y'all because I'm blind. Oh my word. This is so perfect, you guys. I can't believe how comfortable this is, because usually I'm not super comfortable in spiked chokers, but this is amazing. I love it. I love this so much. I'm gonna wear this like every day. You guys, you've got to buy something from her shop. Like, she can make you a custom order like she did for me. And if you're not sure what you want, like I wasn't sure, then she can give you ideas of what you might be wanting, or, you know, tell her like something, you know, that you might be interested in. And it's not heavy at all. Like, it's very lightweight. I'm blown away, Brandy. This is awesome. Thank you. I know you watched my videos, so me and Jack appreciate it. We do. Anyways, that's it for my video today. Super short and sweet, and just want to share this unboxing with you guys, and hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I recently hit 500 subscribers, and I want to thank each and every one of you. Jack and I love you guys so much. We appreciate you watching our videos. We're hoping we can grow our channel even more this year, so if you haven't, hit the subscribe button for more DIY, fashion, sewing, haul videos, whatever I feel like posting. I do a lot of cleaning videos now because I love to clean. Jack and I will see you guys in our next video. You want to say bye to them? Oh, sweetie, say bye.